welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some garlic parmesan wings. These are my ingredients. We have all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and Cajun seasoning. And right here we have some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Let's get started. Now that my wings are nicely seasoned, I'm going to let it sit and marinate for about 2 hours in the refrigerator and come back and I'll show you the next steps. Okay guys, now that the chicken is marinating, we're going to whip up some homemade waffles. So let's get started. Here we have 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and we're going to whip that up. Now guys, I'm adding a half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. We're going to whisk that up. Now we'll be adding my flour that's already mixed with baking powder. Now guys, we're going to make our waffles. Now we're going to air fry the chicken at 400 degrees for 25 minutes in the air fryer. Okay guys, with our chicken frying in the air fryer, we're going to make our sauce for the garlic parm wings. So here we have some melted butter, and then we're going to add some garlic, fresh garlic. You can add the amount of garlic that you want. I like a lot of garlic. I like a lot, so I'm going to put the desired amount that I like on it. And you're going to whisk that together and sort of cook the garlic. You don't want to eat raw garlic on your chicken, so you're going to saute it for a little bit. And then we're going to go in and add some fresh parsley. Okay guys, we've added the garlic and butter and parsley. So now we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Give it a little toss. And then I'm going to plate this up with some homemade waffles. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Garlic Parmesan wings with homemade waffles. Chicken and waffles. Guys, if you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.